Top analyst Dan Ives, who is widely followed on Wall Street, has once again expressed strong confidence in Palantir Technologies as the company prepares to announce its financial results for Q3 of 2025 on November 3rd. According to Ives, Palantir is not just performing well in the present, but is setting itself up for massive long-term success, which he believes could eventually lead the company toward a valuation reaching the $1 trillion mark. This is a bold statement that has drawn attention from investors, especially since Palantir's stock recently experienced a decline of over 2%. Despite the recent dip, Ives maintained his positive outlook by reaffirming a buy rating on the stock and setting a price target of $200 per share. His confidence stems from the rapidly growing demand for Palantir's artificial intelligence platform, often referred to as AIP, which continues to attract attention across both commercial enterprises and government agencies worldwide. According to Ives, Palantir is walking what he calls a golden path, a term he uses to describe a company that is perfectly positioned to dominate its industry over time. He went on to compare Palantir's trajectory to that of Oracle, suggesting that Palantir could follow a similar route to becoming a global software powerhouse. He noted that Palantir has continued to refine its artificial intelligence tools, enhance its existing products, and recruit top-tier talent, which collectively strengthen its ability to maintain a leadership role in artificial intelligence. Ives believes Palantir's success is driven by the fact that it provides businesses and governments with the ability to integrate artificial intelligence into their operations to make faster, smarter, and more informed decisions. Wedbush's research further supports this optimism. According to Ives, Palantir's artificial intelligence platform is not just maintaining existing business relationships, but is also opening new doors to clients who had not previously used its services. He believes that the company's current growth rate and its ability to expand deal sizes with existing partners are both underestimated by many on Wall Street. Ives has even stated that the overall market forecast for Palantir's Q3 performance is far too low. He expects that the company will surpass analysts' expectations as it continues to gain ground in the commercial market. One of the main reasons behind this growth is the company's ongoing series of partnerships and collaborations that are helping Palantir increase its reach and improve its technological edge. A notable example of this strategy is Palantir's collaboration with Snowflake. This agreement connects Snowflake's artificial intelligence data cloud with Palantir's Foundry and artificial intelligence platform, which allows businesses to develop artificial intelligence models faster and more securely than ever before. This partnership highlights Palantir's role in the growing intersection between artificial intelligence and cloud computing. By linking these systems, companies can create complex data-driven solutions with greater efficiency, which provides them with a competitive advantage in a market where speed and accuracy are critical. This alliance also demonstrates that Palantir is not merely focused on government contracts, but is actively strengthening its presence in the commercial sector as well. In addition to the Snowflake collaboration, Palantir has announced another significant partnership, this time with Nvidia. This partnership aims to integrate Nvidia's advanced Blackwell architecture into Palantir's artificial intelligence platform. This development is important because Nvidia's technology is known for its ability to handle highly complex artificial intelligence workloads with increased processing power and speed. By combining this technology with Palantir's software, the company will be able to deliver even more powerful solutions to enterprise and government clients. This integration will help improve system performance, making artificial intelligence operations faster, more efficient, and capable of handling massive amounts of data at once. It also signals Palantir's intention to remain ahead of the competition by aligning itself with some of the biggest names in the technology industry. Dan Ives has emphasized that these strategic partnerships are positioning Palantir to capture a larger share of the enterprise artificial intelligence market. He believes that the United States commercial revenue alone could increase by more than 85% in 2025, which would mark a major milestone for the company. This expected growth is supported by the ongoing expansion of the artificial intelligence platform, which continues to attract new customers across a wide range of industries. Whether it is healthcare, finance, logistics, or defense, Palantir's technology is finding its place as a critical tool for organizations seeking to use artificial intelligence to improve decision-making, optimize operations, and gain competitive insights. At the same time, Palantir remains deeply rooted in its government business, which continues to be a major source of stability and growth. Recently, the company expanded its partnership with the United Kingdom Armed Forces through a collaboration with Hadean, a technology firm that helps enhance military simulations. Palantir's Foundry software is now being used to power advanced defense simulations, allowing for more realistic and data-driven training and operational planning. This partnership demonstrates how Palantir's technology is not just theoretical, but but practical in high-stakes environments where precision and reliability are vital. Moreover, Palantir secured a major contract worth $385 million with the United States Department of Veterans Affairs, showing that its software continues to be trusted for critical government functions. On top of that, the company has also signed a new defense agreement in Poland, expanding its presence in Europe and strengthening its international portfolio. These developments underline the company's global expansion and its growing influence in defense and government technology markets. In his final remarks, Dan Ives stated that Palantir's artificial intelligence platform is likely to remain the foundation of its long-term growth strategy. He believes that as the world continues to adopt artificial intelligence at a rapid pace, Palantir is one of the few companies with both the technology and the experience to lead this transformation. According to him, the company's consistent innovation, steady execution, and global reach make it one of the best positioned players in the artificial intelligence landscape. Ives believes that if Palantir continues on its current path, it has a real chance of becoming a trillion-dollar company in the years ahead. Despite Ives' optimism, the overall sentiment from Wall Street remains more cautious. Analysts are currently divided on the stock, with a consensus hold rating based on 4 buy recommendations, 13 hold recommendations, and 2 sell recommendations. The average price target for Palantir stands at $158.41, which suggests a potential downside of about 20% from the current trading levels. This mixed sentiment highlights the ongoing debate about how quickly Palantir can turn its ambitious growth plans into tangible results. While some investors remain skeptical, others believe that the company's expanding partnerships, rising demand for artificial intelligence solutions, and growing influence in global markets make it one of the most exciting long-term stories in the technology sector today. Essentially, top analyst Dan Ives from Wedbush remains highly optimistic about Palantir Technologies ahead of its Q3 2025 earnings report on November 3rd. He expects another strong performance, maintaining a buy rating with a price target of $200 per share. Ives believes Palantir's artificial intelligence platform continues to gain traction across commercial and government sectors as more organizations use it to make faster and smarter decisions. He compared Palantir's growth path to Oracle's and said the company is strengthening its position through product improvements, top-tier hiring, and global expansion. Partnerships with major technology firms such as Snowflake and Nvidia are enhancing Palantir's artificial intelligence capabilities, while major government contracts, including a $385 million deal with the United States Department of Veterans Affairs and a new defense work in Poland, continue to expand its reach. Ives predicts that United States commercial revenue could increase by more than 85% in 2025 and believes Palantir could eventually become a trillion-dollar company. However, Wall Street remains cautious, with most analysts rating the stock as a hold and setting an average price target of $158.41, which implies a potential downside of about 20%. For more stock news updates, remember to press the like button and subscribe. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.